You said never let me go.
I take you.
You
So
said never let me go. You 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 said never
hey, hello guys. Woo. I missed you guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shake My Love, and this is my first sit down video with you guys. This is a start of a video. Of course, I uploaded my travel video when I was coming back home, and today I have a new video. This is a start of a video, just telling you what I'm planning, what I'm having. I have my planner here, so I'm going to be looking at it as I talk to you just briefly. So you all know that I love sewing. We are going to be doing fashion, so expect fashion videos, makeup tutorials, sewing tutorials, and so many videos about lifestyle. So yeah, I'm going to be doing all that. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. So today we are going to of course I made my sewing table. So I'm just from setting my sewing space, and I'm going to show you the video. Right now I'm going to be doing everything from home, so I'm sewing from home until I get a place of my interest. So I'm not going to rush anything, but hey, I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs. I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials, a lot of transformations, and so many other things. We're going to be doing videos about styling, how to dress, how to do what, how to do makeup, how to do everything. I made a lot of minimalistic videos here because yeah, this year I want to try that. I want to try to be minimalistic as possible, as possible. Just no, I want to try that, so expect that. So without wasting your time, I'm going to, yes, after this video I'm going to drop a tutorial. I'm going to be transforming something into something else. So make sure you stick around, you subscribe, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Please support me by liking, subscribing, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything, and share my content with everyone. And another thing, if you're here, I know you subscribe for something, so tell me the kind of videos that you would like to see. And those who are going to be learning sewing from here, stick around, get your equipment ready. You don't need much. If you don't have a sewing machine, it's okay. It's very okay. Just use what you have. Use your hands, because in sewing you have to master hand sewing even before you master sewing machine. So yeah, and about my sewing machine reviews, those who want to know how much I bought them, how they are working, how good they are, the functions they have, of course stick around. I'll be reviewing one by one because I have 2 sewing machines now, and yeah, we shall get there, I promise. But thank you for sticking by, thank you for subscribing, for supporting me. Please support me until the end. Let's grow together. And if you want to follow me on other social media handles, I use the same names: TikTok, Shake My Love; Instagram, Shake My Love; and on Facebook, though I'm not so active on Facebook, but on Facebook I use Shakin and Dash. So I'll be putting those names in the description or in the comment section. Please make sure, endeavor to give it a thumbs up, and let's get straight into the video. So this is going to be my sewing space for now. It's quite, yeah, there's enough space. This table is very big. I made it. I went and I took the measurements. I took everything that I wanted, because I wanted a table that I can use to cut my fabrics from, because this space is quite small, the space in the house, so I wanted to utilize it so I can use this table to cut my fabrics and to sew. So I have 2 sewing machines. The other sewing machine is exactly of the same size, and yeah, for now I'm going to be using this, but if I want to change, use it. So this is a table, this is a seat that I'm going to be using for now. I've not got what I wanted. I've not got the seat of my interest, but this can work. It is very nice too. So this is the table. The good thing about this table, if cutting, you're not, I don't bend my back, so I don't get that complications of bending and then the back pain, all that. So this is my sewing machine. This is Singer 6160. For those who want the review, of course I would do it. I just have to use it for some time, and then yeah, I give you the review. And then the other second sewing machine is 61 Singer Brilliant 6180. This is 6160, the other one is 6180. It has quite a number of features, and it is very nice. Just know it is computerized, and these are the stitches. This one has got 59 stitches. I don't know, this camera is not focusing, but it has got 61 decorative stitches. Then when I come this side, this one, yeah, I have a lot of wires here, but I'm going to make it right. Okay, so I have these. I think this is quite a good one. I like them. Look, it is dark this side, but yeah, it is nice. I have these, so I have my things already here. I will make it right after. These are my sewing footers. I came with them, and they are 42, so this is quite enough for me for now, and I'm not going to find difficulties with footers. I have this drawer. There's some fabrics here that I'm going to use. I have this one. So what I did, these two, the downer, how are they called? These two, the first one and the second one, they are wide and deep. You see, I have my sewing equipments here. I have sewing equipments here. This is my power bank, and these are sewing kits. And these two, these are my fabrics. They are nice, and I'm thinking of what I'm going to do with these fabrics. And this maroon one, this one is a bit harder, so I need to do something good out of it. So these two are wide, and these ones are not that wide, and that's what I wanted. So yeah, and then I have enough sewing space here. This is my footer. So yeah, so that is my footer there. I'm going to put my seat here, and yeah, I have enough space. I have real enough space, and this is my table. So that is what we are working with right now. And yeah, so I want to be filming, and then if I'm to do a fashion haul and all that, of course I'll be doing it from here, and I think I'm going to be recording most of my videos from here. I might be in the bedroom too, but most of my videos are going to be from here until when I get my own place. So that is my sewing space and my sewing table for now.